Hey there, Prophetess T-Sharix here. Listen, I was on my way out, but I had to come and share this word for some people. Listen, let me be specific. Some prophets, some bona fide, hand-picked prophets of the true and the living God, not the God of this world, but the God of the Bible. Listen, you've been carrying something. You're carrying something that is so heavy, so weighty, and a lot of times you're feeling like you're under such a oppression and depression. You don't know what's going on, but I'm telling you, it's the Spirit of God. Is some things that's been germinating your spirit, and like I said, a lot of times you can't articulate it, so it comes over as depression, but it's really the Spirit of the living God wanting to work in you and through you. So listen, I'm talking to those who have felt like they've been in captivity. Listen, you know that you've been obedient to the will of God, regardless of what and who it has cost you. All the tears, all the pain, all the embarrassment, all the humiliation, all the people saying you're crazy, and all of this because you have such an infectious you just have to obey God. So listen, you do it at all costs, and people don't understand it. The people that are fleshly don't understand it. The people that are religious don't understand that. But listen, he told me to come encourage you. He said he's about to turn that captivity. He's about to restore you. He's about to thrust you into that space and that place that he's prophesied to you over and over and over again. Listen, because you have stood, because you have been faithful, God says, I'm about to turn your captivity. I'm about to give you joy and laughter again. He says that, listen, when you have sowed in tears, Psalms 126, 1-6, you're about to reap in joy and singing, not just in money, but time, your mind, your spirit, your heart. All of you've been giving it to God, and you've been giving it out to his people, even those that don't even deserve it. But because of the love of God and the call of God on your life, God says he wanted to come and encourage you on tonight. Listen, you're about to get up from that place because he needs you in this season and in this hour. Listen, there's so many false voices that have went out into this natural space. But God says, listen, you're going to live and not die to declare the works of the living God. I'm telling you, listen, take that word, be encouraged. Listen, Prophetess T-Sharix here. Listen, click that link up there. Connect with us. Connect with us. We have to come together as fivefold ministers. Listen, all this competing, all this kind of stuff. Listen, we need one another. The true fivefold, the kingdom leadership, we need it in this hour. So listen, go partner, go sow, go get your free download, do something. Click that link up there. I want to connect with you all. Listen, I want to connect for real because we need each other. All right, y'all, be encouraged. Listen, you're about to be restored in a way that you could have only imagined. So listen, be encouraged. Listen, if you feel to go share this video with somebody, please do, because I believe this is something that someone needed to hear. It's been heavy, but I'm telling you, he says he's about to make it lighter for you in this hour. I love you. I'm praying for you. Continue to pray for me. Listen, Prophetess T-Sharix here, tsharixministries.com, kingdomreformationministries.com. Go click the link, see who I am, what we do.